Good morning, good afternoon, good night, wherever you guys are. Welcome back. So it's kind of a little bit late in the week, but it's been a bit hectic. So in this video, I didn't want to just film something that was just going to be like I just need to film something for the week, but be a little bit more intentional. So I, in this video, gonna show a couple of things we've been doing in the shop. A little bit like not a day in the life of or everything I do in the day, but just a few things snippet wise. I've got some odd jobs in the shop, so I'm going to show you that as well. But I'm a bit upset, but this thing, it's finally going to the grave. Thank you, Petey. She's finally going to the grave. It is done. One of the boys here, give me a hand. She is going to be a cube. Probably be a tailgate for a Tesla at some point. Hopefully not, but yes, sad time. I think I'm more upset that it's going to be, that people are going to be happy that it's gone, rather than I'm sad because it's actually gone. I'm just going to be upset because people are happy that it's gone. Last drive. Oh, that's it. That's the last. That's the last time I was running. That's actually the last time I was running. Come on, after the yard. I'll pop this light down. Can't get the tail lights out the normal way because we welded the boot shut. It's not as hard as I thought it would be. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cheap tail lights. I know what I've got. Beautiful. Tail lights are out.
You're actually not going to believe it.
So, Jesse's has gone in. Got dirt on my face. Jesse's gone in, found some more rust. Not that it matters because diff's out. Pretty much everything is out. He's removed this piece. He's surprised about the rust holes and this rust hole.
You never thought.
I've got a torch.
Yeah.
I guess I pulled this little trim out. Oh, that'll explain the water leak.
I genuinely don't know how the front of this car is still on. You sneeze and it could fall off.
Oh, that's pretty bad, eh?
If you didn't have doors on this, I genuinely believe
I'm glad.
that it would have actually snapped in half.
Yeah, but hear me out. If we bogged all of it, would the structural integrity be put back in place?
Yes.
Oh, well, it's fine. There's nothing to worry about here. This side might not be as bad because that's a different panel. Side note, if you have a Falcon, Fairmonts have this thicker rubber, and that holds water. All the Fortes and stuff normally have that one, which is a corn flute, whatever you call it.
This is what it meant to look like.
Oh, you're dead set right. Yeah. Oh, yeah. I'm missing the frame.
You're missing the frame.
You know what, but
hang on.
Quick, easy access for the
Let
wiring.
me move that out of the way real quick.
Hey, careful, mate. That's structural integrity.
Let's go for another walk.
You know what? You know what makes me feel more safe is knowing that there was 8 of us in this doing a tip in.
What makes me feel more happy about this whole thing is at least there was one side. Ish. Like,
It's fine.
Anyway. Me, an engineer.
Well,
Very
actually,
concerned.
no footage, but where the car was, I don't even know who, but one of the guys, or someone, actually took this on the rally track. So the fact that it's actually in somewhat of a shape. Yeah, you didn't even know this. There is like scoops of mud in the car that have been picked up from like these holes underneath the car and have gone whoop in. So there was literally clumps of mud on the back seat. So backseat bandits were getting hit with mud.
Tough mad hell.
And it still didn't rip in half.
Well,
So the back setup didn't quite work.
I don't know if I'd say any of it worked, to be honest. I don't know much about much, but have a look at this. Just stand clear, I reckon.
Definitely gonna grab.
Oh my god. Hang on.
The rear's like,
Yeah, it looks pretty good to me. I should thought myself out. I'm still going back outside though for safety reasons. Oh god.
Oh, did you? I was gonna put it under the door, but
That's where it is, mate. Up is up, going.
it hasn't even.
Oh my lord. Much better. Oh!
what was that?
All I know is I'm glad I got off that.
Did the Hoist just break?
Mine has just skipped a couple of people.
Don't worry about it.
Actually, new plan. We pull the hoist arms in against the car, then it pushes it, because now we've got it on those safety clips, which they're obviously not as strong as I was thinking they would be.
Clearly. We get a few more straps.
Well, you know how we first put the arms right against it?
Yeah.
We do that, strap it up, then it's going against the body.
Let's go. Oh yeah. I don't know if you're looking at this body line, but please do. Look at this body line. I am not getting underneath that with a trailer.
That thing is twisted to all buggery from this angle.
Right, do it.
Yeah, I'm part of the Twisted Village, bro.
Flex test, baby.
Yeah, it's hell time.
Anyway, trailer time, eh? Looks.
Tea time.
No, it is.
I think we gotta sort the problem.
So that's touching here, and like on that fucking brake line.
Oh, she's fine. It's touching perfect amount. Brake line and ratchet. So, oh well, we come to the conclusion that the rear isn't really touching.
Neither side.
What's it?
What's holding this car up? I think it's legitimately the front
it'll
arm.
be there's the hoist arms are jamming.
These are not jamming. Hang on. Yeah, a bit to the left, mate. Yeah, a bit more to the left. Up, down, sure up. Ding dong.
Oh dear.
That's not good.
Yeah, it's a bit annoying, but it's still. He said he's got it actually. Did it try? funny. I don't know how much we got, but that was funny as. She's gone. She's done. Bye, friend. No.